Yes, Rajay, in previous lecture you have learned about diseases caused by different organisms like protozoa, virus, bacteria. Okay, in this lecture you will learn about beneficial microorganisms, that how different microbes are beneficial, useful for us. Some examples will be studied out to learn this topic. Okay, first of all, microorganisms in the food industry means how in the food industry microbes are beneficial for human beings. ठीक है, first of all fermentation concept is there. बच्चों, what is fermentation? Conversion of sugar, conversion of sugar, it can be cane sugar. ठीक है, conversion of sugar into acid or alcohol within production of carbon dioxide. When from sugar carbon dioxide, alcohol and any acid will be produced, that process is called fermentation. Understood, Rajay? Simply conversion of sugar into acid, alcohol or carbon dioxide, it is called fermentation. Now how fermentation is helpful, that we will study within examples. First of all, the baking industry uses the fermentation process effectively in baking bread. In baking industry, that fermentation process is used to bake breads or to make it light and fluffy. ठीक है, like yeast, it can be natural, or yeast like baking soda acts as a yeast to make a bread light and fluffy. Okay, which gets trapped. Here yeast releases within using yeast, what will be released, Raji? Carbon dioxide will be released out, which gets trapped within the dough. Like firstly, to make bread, dough will be made, है ना? When dough will be made, then what happen after using yeast? Some air spaces will be formed in that. This raises the dough and makes the bread light and fluffy, simple. Okay, with the help of fermentation, what will happen, that we can bake easily bread and make it light as well as fluffy. Second, in the preparation of wine, अब देखो रजी, in the preparation of wine fermentation is also used. The process of fermentation is used to turn grape juice which is produced from grapes, ठीक है, into an alcoholic beverage. Means firstly from sugar alcohol will made out, ठीक है. Here from grape juice what will be made, like alcoholic beverage, or we can say it wine. During fermentation, yeast what will be converted, ठीक है बच्चे, yeast will convert that sugar in the juice to create ethanol. Like in grape juice what will be add, firstly we will add sugar, then after using yeast ethanol will be produced. It is also form of alcohol. Ethanol, Rajay, it is form of alcohol, we can say it wine, commonly known as ethyl alcohol, releasing carbon dioxide in the process. Carbon dioxide will also produce, है ना. Next है third, some species of mushrooms are edible. Mushroom that is produced due to fungi. Mushrooms, you know बच्चे, some you also eat as a vegetable, ठीक है. Different edible species of mushrooms are cultivated worldwide, simple. Next है the bacterium lactobacillus. Lactobacillus, it is name of bacteria that is used to prepare कर्ड फ्रॉम मिल्क, ठीक है. कर्ड, मिल्क से क्या बनता है रजी? कर्ड बनता है विद इन द हेल्प ऑफ लैक्टोबैसिलस. It converts lactose present in milk into lactic acid. We know that in milk, you should know about this thing बच्चे, that milk is having lactose. That lactose will be converted into lactic acid with the help of lactobacillus bacteria. Okay, Acetobacter acidity helps to convert alcohol into acetic acid or vinegar. Now how vinegar will be made out? Like from alcohol, vinegar will be made out with the help of this bacteria, that is Acetobacter acidity. ठीक है. विनेगर इज अ सोर लिक्विड मेड फ्रॉम ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ इथाइल अल्कोहल. फ्रॉम नाउ हाउ विनेगर इज मेड, लाइक अल्कोहल इज मेड फ्रॉम शुगर और शुगर केन, और वी कैन ऐड देयर ग्रेप जूस ऑल्सो, एंड विनेगर इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम अल्कोहल. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है रजे बैक्टीरिया सच इज लैक्टोबैसिलस एंड स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस आर यूज्ड इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ चीज एंड पनीर. ठीक है. मिल्क, वी नो दैट चीज एंड पनीर are also made up from milk. So by using lactobacillus and streptococcus, bacteria we can convert milk into cheese and paneer also. ठीक है. Next है fucus, scallop and Graciolia are different kinds of algae used in ice creams. These bacteria are used to make ice creams as well as jellies. ठीक है. Means these all bacteria and some microorganisms are used to make food items. Next है spirulina and chlorella are single celled algae used in the production of single cell proteins. Single cell proteins, what are single cell proteins बच्चे? which are in the packet form. ठीक है. you know that who go to gym है ना, they eat that protein also. ठीक है. it comes in the form of box. that protein is called single celled protein. ठीक है. Acidobacillus ferrooxidans is a bacterium used for bioleaching. Bioleaching means, you know बच्चे, what are ores? Ores are mixture of metals, non-metals and some other products. If we have to get pure metal from ores, that we can get from by the process which is called bioleaching. ठीक है. there is ore means that is mixture of metal, non-metal. If we have to get pure metal by the process of bioleaching while using this bacteria, we can get pure metal. ठीक है. like a process in which microbes are used to separate metals from mineral deposit. Mineral deposit means that is mixture of metals, non-metals and some other products, but we have to get only